Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 2.4. In how many ways can a cricket team of 11 players be chosen out of a batch of 15 players? Your conditions are given. First condition is there is no restriction on the selection. So any person can be selected. Okay. Your second is a particular person is always chosen. So one person like a captain, he will be always there in the cricket match now. So like Dhoni, the third condition, a particular player is never chosen. So if we have substitute and all, the persons will not be chosen, isn't it? So if anything happens, they'll be used, otherwise that person will be there, kept it outside. So like that, substitute one person, you can think for example, okay. So now going to your question, first is, you'll have to fix 11 players out of 15 players. So first condition is, there is no restriction on the selection. So number of ways out of 15 players, 11 players are chosen. So out of 15, 11 has to be taken, okay. So it is 15 players are there. From there we need only 11 players. So 15 C 11. So that is equal to, you'll have one formula, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So this formula can be used whenever you have a big number, okay. So here in 15 C 11 is there. So 15 C 11 is equal to 15 C 15 minus 11. You can change like this, okay. So that is equal to 15 C 15 minus 11 will become 4. So whenever 15 C 11 is there, you can convert like this and change it into small number 15 C 4. Otherwise till 11 you will have to write your numbers, okay. So convert like this and then do your sum. So that is equal to, now 15 C4 is up to 4 consecutive numbers, you will have to come down it. So that is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 divided by, from 4 you will have to start. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So you can cancel it. 2 and 12 will go 6 times. 3 and 15 will go 5 times. And this 6 and 4 again you can cancel, it is twice, here it is thrice. Again 2 and 14 you can cancel 7 times. You can do your cancellation by your own method. So whatever is left out, 5, 7, 13 and 3 is there. So 5 into 7 into 13 into 3. So that is equal to 1365 ways. So your first condition is over. The second condition is, a particular person is always chosen. So a particular person is always chosen. So we can fix that person. That person will be there wherever match is going on. That person will be there as a captain or some person. Okay, so it is one person is fixed. Total number of person available is, total number of persons available is equal to, totally we have 15%. In that one person is fixed, okay. So 15 minus 1 is equal to 14% will be now total, okay. Now total number of players needed. So players needed is also, this person is fixed, okay. So in 11 players, so one person is fixed over there. So we need 10 persons over there. Therefore, number of ways out of, so now only 14 persons are available. 14 players 10 persons are needed. Okay, so 10 players are chosen is equal to 14C10. Okay, so 14C10. So 10 persons out of 14 persons we'll have to pick it up. Okay, so that is equal to, again do this conversion because 10 is a big number. Okay, so do the conversion. I'll just write it here. So 14C10 is equal to 14C 14 minus 10. So that is equal to 14C, you'll have 4. So 14C10 can be replaced as 14C4, which is equal to 14. Write the consecutive numbers, 4 numbers you'll have to write it. So 14, 13, 12, 11 divided by, from 4 you'll have to start. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So just cancel it. 4 3s are 12 you'll get. So you can cancel with this 12. So 2 and 14, 7 times you'll get. So the left out terms will be 7, 13 and 11. So when you're multiplying, your answer will be 1001 ways. Third subdivision, a player is never chosen. So a player is never chosen. Now the total number of players available is, number of players available is, so one person is not at all taken, so that person will be always out. Okay, so 15 minus that one person, so you'll have 14 persons available now. Next is total number of persons, players needed is, but we need only 11 players because this person is already out. Okay, so that person is not considered at all. So we need 11 players over there. So that 11 players will be there as it is. So the next is number of ways out of 14 players, 11 players are chosen. So from this 14 players we need 11 players. Okay, so that is equal to 14C11. Again 11 is a big number, so convert it. So 14C11 is equal to 14C 14 minus 11, which is equal to 14C, you will have 3. So this is equal to 14C3. Now go to your format. It is 14 into 3 consecutive numbers, you'll have to write it. Okay, so 14 into 13 into 12 divided by, start from 3, so 3 into 2 into 1. So you can cancel it. 3 and 12, it will go 4 times. Again 2 and 4, it will go twice. So the numbers are 14, 13 and 2 will be left out. Just multiply, you will get your answer 364 ways. This is the answer for your 9th question.